Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to convert your Twitter account to a professional account. Let's get into the video. So the first thing to do is that you simply need to click on this edit option. Once you're there, you scroll down and you click on what? Switch to professional. After which you simply need to accept it. You simply choose your category. So I'll just choose, let me say, education. After that, you click on what? Next. Once you're there, you choose if you are a business or for content. So I'm going to choose content. That's content creator. After that, you click on what? Next. So guys, we just successfully converted our Twitter account to a professional account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next video. Peace.